Alright guys, we got a 2020 Dodge Durango RT in here today, alright? Now the customer wanted a custom BORLA touring system. So what that required was we had to delete his resonator, which looked a lot like this big old suitcase you're looking at here. We had to delete that and replace it with 2 pieces of pipe, alright? Now that was for the midsection. Now what we did here in the back was we took 2 BORLA Pro XS mufflers that the customer provided and we installed them in place of his other stock mufflers, which are around here somewhere. And then we went ahead and added on some 4-inch black tips for him. Alright, it should sound pretty sweet, not the most aggressive system, but it will be clean as can be, I can promise you that. So let's bring it down and fire it up.